All right, it is Campus Week on New Day Cleveland, and each day, Nicole Marcelino is going to be joining us, taking us to different college campuses all around the area to show us, what really makes each school so special. So today, she happens to be live at one of the best, John Carroll University. Hi, Nicole.
Hello, Natalie. That's right. We are kicking off College Campus Week. We are here at John Carroll University here in University Heights. This campus is absolutely gorgeous and only about 15 minutes from downtown Cleveland. I'm here with the head of marketing, Mike Scanlan. Mike, thanks for inviting us out this morning.
Well, thanks for coming out.
I am so impressed. I haven't been here in a while. I had a good friend that graduated from John Carroll. Tell us a little bit about the history of John Carroll University.
Sure. You can always come back and get your grad degree if you want to. John Carroll's a 130-year, Jesuit tradition here in Cleveland, and we really rest on three pillars, right? It's academic excellence, it's experiential opportunities, think internships, professional development, study abroad, and it's personal formation. It's how do you kind of grow up and mature and go into the world and make an impact. And so we're here on our 60-acre campus. We've got about 2,500 undergraduate students pursuing, majors across the spectrum in business and the liberal arts. And we send grads out into the world and they make a difference.
I think it's worth noting you are a John Carroll alum, you're a Blue Streak, and I'm sure that you had a great experience when you were here. What kind of experience are you hoping today's students get?
Sure. When I think back on my experience, I graduated from the Tim Russert Department of Communication and, went into the world of PR and marketing. And I think sometimes when we talk about what Jesuit education means, it's easier to understand as a grad, right? Because it's 5-10 years later that you sort of recognize, what the core curriculum did for you, what classes in philosophy and the humanities did for you as a leader, as an ethical thinker, as a decision maker. And my wife graduated with a degree in education as well, and she has her master's from here too. We were married in the chapel, in fact, and so, I think for so many of us, there's 44,000 alums like Julie and me. Right. We are across the spectrum of careers. We are leaders in our communities, and when I think back on the experience, not much has changed. The only thing that has truly changed is the investment we're making in the student experience here on campus right now.
Speaking of change, you are at the forefront of innovation and technology, and in fact, really exciting news with regards to your nursing program was just released, correct?
That's right. So we just launched a Bachelor of Science in Nursing just yesterday, so great timing for you to be here. That's on top of a new engineering program we launched last year. Our Bowler College of Business is double accredited from the AACSB, which only 2% of schools in the globe are. Right. And everything here rests on the foundation of our College of Arts and Sciences, which is really that core curriculum. But what we've been doing is investing in the student experience around this, academic rigor. So when you walk campus, you see the building inspired future signs. That's a brand new field house, renovations to residence halls, a new dining hall, phase 1 of a library project to really modernize that student space. These are all meant to improve the experience that our students have.
We were talking off camera too. You have so many notable alumni. How many people in the front office of the NFL? I believe.
Yeah, so we have more than 40 coaches and front office staff in the NFL.
I mean, just an example of this amazing school really touching all points of life. So very cool. In the next segment, we're going to also talk more about the building inspired leaders portion of what John Carroll University can provide for your education. So Natalie, stay tuned because we are just getting started here at John Carroll University.
Appreciate it, Nicole. Thank you. Can't wait to see what else you have in store for us.